Good job, Coda.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh!
Okay, turn. You gotta turn around now. Here.
Push on the pedals, baby.
Push hard. No. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, push.
Cameron, watch your brother.
Okay, turn. 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 Oh, oh, oh.
Mama, don't let him go in the ditch.
Wait. Let Grandma put it back on the driveway. Come.
Cameron.
Get down. Let Grandma put it back on the... Yeah.
Oh!
Stuck.
You okay? You need some help? All right. Watch out, baby. You gotta look on the road.
Keep going.
Come on. I'm coming, Coda.
Push. There you go. There you go. Oh, keep going. Push on. Like that.
Come get Tonty. Come get me.
Come on. Push hard. Push hard.
Push on him. There you go.
Push.
Oh.
There you go.
All right. Yay. Turn the bike. All right.
That's so much better now that he can ride. You know?
Coda. Coda. High five, Coda. High five. Awesome. That one is the same bike. Don't ask me, ask Daniel. I would say it's like an 8-inch, but I don't know.
I can't.
Coda. Come on, Coda.
I know.
Start it. Push. Push it. Move with it. Now push at the same time. Go. Oh, Grandma's about to leave, baby. You wanna go with Tonty get some food?